Welcome back. Welcome back. This is a DMV Web Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. And today we're going to be doing hair replacement for men. It's a non surgical hair replacement. It is actual glueless. We have just applied our hair growth serum and we already created the base and we're just reinforcing our base and creating a very sturdy foundation so that our hair unit will be able to sit properly. And as you can see, it's laying pretty flat and it's not moving around. That's how you want it to be when you're getting this thing installed. Now we're going to be sewing it in. And this is a great alternative to using adhesive. Many people that have this condition have to deal with applying adhesive all throughout their hair loss area, which only furthers worsens the condition in the first place. So that's why we try not to do that, and we try to resort to having glueless installs. And whoop, all right now, and now he is back and he is ready to attack. Come down to the DMV Weave Doctor. We located in Bowie, Maryland. Book and main attractions hair.com.